I'm Dr. Ashok Kumar. Here I'm going to share with you a unique method of yoga meditation that will give you immense peace and boost up your immune system. At present, the whole world is in crisis due to corona pandemic, and yoga meditation can be very much useful to combat the panic caused by this pandemic. But first of all, we should understand what does yoga actually mean. Yoga is not limited to perform certain kind of exercises, asanas or pranayams. In Hindi, the actual word is yog, which means plus or union. So union of what? According to ancient Indian yoga philosophy or Patanjali yoga philosophy, union of our inner consciousness with the universal consciousness or with God is yoga or yoga. Says Patanjali described 8 steps of yoga: Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi. Asan and Pranayams are only 2 steps. Says further described that a person cannot be united with God or universal consciousness without attaining the state of Samadhi. And to reach up to the state of Samadhi, the person must be free from all kind of diseases. So here is the yoga meditation technique that can free you from all kind of diseases and addictions, and simultaneously you will progress on spiritual path. Here one more thing, to achieve this goal or to progress on this path, the practitioner essentially requires a spiritually empowered guru, whom with most respect we say Gurudev. Gurudev Shri Ramlalji Siag, a spiritually empowered guru, founder and patron of Adhyatm Vigyan Satsang Kendra, Jodhpur, Rajasthan, India, by the grace of his Guru Baba Shri Gangai Nath Ji, introduced an easy to do meditation technique, that is Siddha Yoga. For details about Gurudev Shri Ramlalji Siag and his Siddha Yoga, you can visit official website www.the-comforter.org. In Siddha Yoga, a Siddha Guru or a spiritually empowered Guru initiates his disciple and awakes his inner power or Kundalini power. Awakened Kundalini power takes charge over the body or intellect and stimulates or tones up the particular body part which are ailing or sick, and the practitioner experiences different kind of asan, bandh, mudras, pranayams or exercises, yogic exercises according to his or her bodily requirements or body's physiology. Suppose if my neck is hurt, then the exercises will happen to my neck. If my lungs are in problem, then the exercises will happen accordingly. So by this way, your own inner power will start to heal you. A Siddha Guru can initiate his disciple by 4 ways. First, by touching. Second, through eyes. Third, by mantra. And fourth, if the practitioner has strong desire, he can also be initiated by Guru's picture. So the third way is mantra. Gurudev Siag Siddha Yoga is based on mantra chanting and meditation. Here, Gurudev gives you a mantra which has 3 words, and you are expected to chant this mantra in your mind round the clock without moving your lips and tongue. If you chant it regularly, then within few weeks or few months, it will be chanted automatically inside. For meditation, sit in a comfortable position, look at Gurudev's picture for a while. When you remember it, then close your eyes and imagine the Gurudev's picture over here at the center of your forehead, between the eyebrows, and pray to Gurudev for 15 minutes meditation. You need to chant the mantra during meditation also. So you may have different kind of experiences during meditation. You may have different kind of exercises, yogic exercises like forward and backward movements, circling movements, different kind of asanas, bandh, mudras or pranayams. Don't panic. Don't try to stop them. As I told you earlier, all these exercises will happen to according to your bodily requirements or according to your body physiology to cure you. You may also have many divine experiences like visualization of lights, colors, and visualization of God you believe in. You may experience complete peace, total light. Regular mantra chanting and doing meditation will lead to transformation of your tendencies from tamas to rajas and rajas to sat, and by this way you will be free from all kind of addictions. You need not to stop addictions, but from inside there will be no demand for any kind of addiction due to transformation of tendencies. So by this way you will experience so many things. All the changes will occur in very smooth manner. You need not to change your lifestyle. Just add this mantra chanting and meditation in your daily routines. It is easy, safe, and absolutely free. Anybody can do it, irrespective of caste, creed, nationality, or religion. Remember, the main key is mantra chanting. So, chant the mantra regularly and do the meditation 15 minutes in morning and 15 minutes in evening with empty stomach. You will find the links for Divine Sanjeevani Mantra by Gurudev in description. So be benefited. Thank you.